Court calls case People versus New Park Ridge versus Leah Burton.
See this moment? The tenant asks, is this even legal? And that's exactly what viewers at home are wondering too. The answer, sometimes, yes. If you miss paperwork deadlines, landlord can legally charge market rent on a temporary basis. Harsh? Definitely. Legal? Often, yes.
How you doing, Your Honor?
It's a great thing about moms. Oh, go ahead. You don't know why everybody looking at her. I know, right? Hello.
Sorry about that.
No, what are you sorry about? How old is she?
1.
1?
Yes.
Is she beautiful? She's beautiful.
That is exactly like how I was at 1. Just yesterday. What'd you say? All right. What's the claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,846.
Okay. And ma'am, how are we going to get this paid?
So I had an issue. The rent that I actually owe is $900. They added some extra charges saying that for damages, I guess there was some damages. I was in Chicago taking care of my father before he passed away. And I got a call that someone broke into my house and to get home immediately to secure my home. So they got the person who committed the crime. They charged him and everything. And I got the paperwork here for the victim's paperwork. And it says,
Here's the kicker. She's being billed $700 for damages from a break-in, even though the actual criminal was only charged with $200 worth of property destruction. Wild, right? But legally, the landlord can still pursue her civilly for restitution, since criminal charges don't cap what victims are allowed to claim.
His charges was only $200, so the department's charging me $700.
Hold on. His charge was $200.
Yes.
So
he's getting charged with less than $200.
correct. So he's being charged with malicious destruction of property less than $200 or something like
Burglary. He's being charged with burglary.
that. Okay. So here's how that works. And are you looking to get restitution for that damage? Is that what you?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Oh.
Malicious destruction of building less than 200.
That's
right.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yep.
So they'll charge it. Best way to put this, they'll charge it as that if you are indeed a victim of a crime, you're entitled to whatever restitution there is.
And this is where the judge lays it out. Criminal court decides guilt and punishment, while civil restitution is about making victims financially whole. So even if the burglar's case was categorized as under $200, the landlord isn't bound by that figure in housing court.
Doesn't matter what the charge is.
Okay.
That's the simplest way for me to put it.
So when I spoke with Hawk, since I'm in a domestic violence abuser or whatever, they said I qualify for the program, so they are going to help me pay for it.
Who, Hawk?
Yes. So they scheduled my appointment for September 4th.
Yeah, okay.
It's a bit far out, but ours is going to help.
I guess so do you, how much is your monthly rent?
202.
202?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you going to be able to pay anything between now and, you say your Hawk appointment is September?
Yeah.
My first date's 5. Yeah. So are you going to be able to pay anything between now and say September 5th?
I can, but I was just trying to see what they were going to pay first. 'Cause I'm assuming they're going to pay.
No, I got you, but if they pay your full rent, that's fine. I don't know how much of that is the restitution charge.
I'm happy to take her out in the halls and let her run around if you want me to.
I'll stay with you.
You just about. Thank you.
So how much do you think you can pay if you, Can you pay your rent? Or can you pay your September portion of your rent?
Yes, yes, I
Okay,
can.
so you can pay the 202?
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't keep getting deeper in the hole. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna put that you're gonna pay 202. You're gonna pay that by let's try for September 4th, okay?
Okay.
I'll adjourn your hearing out to September 5th, 2025 at 12 noon. Okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you.
Will it be in here in person?
Yes, it will be here in person.
Okay, thank you.
Where'd she go?
Pause. Did you catch that? She nearly dropped the baby on her way out. Honestly, there's more drama in housing court than on reality TV. That's a moment the audience at home leans in, like, wait, did she just? Yep, courtroom meets daycare.
I almost lost the baby.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Says, get me out of here.
Down, she's ready for a parade.
New Park Ridge Apartments versus the Tiana South.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
All right, how much is owing on this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $6,235.
$6,235. All right, Ms. South, how are you intending on trying to get this paid?
Your Honor, I think I'm gonna need some legal service because I was just notified that I was supposed to pay rent last month. No one ever told me, send me anything in the mail or anything that I even supposed to be paying rent.
You're not supposed to be paying rent?
I said no one notified me when I did my recertification paperwork and everything. No one notified me or anything that I supposed to be start paying rent. That's why it's so high. They said I supposed to be start paying rent when I went to talk to the leasing office.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
So there's a recert issue. Okay, I'm going to give you an opportunity to contact legal services regarding that, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll adjourn it out to August 29th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Okay, but you need to contact legal services as soon as possible, all right?
Okay, now can I ask you a question before you finish, Your Honor?
Sure.
Okay, I had contacted your chambers today. My mother just had heart surgery, and I am taking care of her and also my 7 children. I know, do I gotta send the paperwork in for the 2 days prior Zoom thing, what they were saying earlier today when I called?
Ms. South, you can appear via Zoom.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
All right.
Now the stakes turn serious. $6,235 in back rent. That's not just a late payment, that's eviction territory. And a defense? Nobody told me I had to pay rent. Bold strategy. But in landlord-tenant law, the clash between lack of notice and a tenant's duty to pay can be a murky, contested battlefield.
New Park Ridge versus Marie Richardson.
Jillian Engen for plaintiff.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Marie Richardson.
All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $1,716.
Okay. How are we going to get this paid?
Friends Indeed is working with me,
Have you heard from them at all, or?
not yet, and I'm waiting for my, I sent the thing in proving that I did the
Yeah, I
FBI.
saw that. You're still waiting on
I
that.
want to know, where does this come from? I never heard of this. Is this legal for them to be charging me because I had turned in my papers late? That's what this is all about.
I don't know. What?
They're saying that because I turned in
Your
my,
certification paper?
yes, they said since I turned that
Depending
in,
on what it is.
been there 8
No,
years, it's never happened.
Hold on. I can't answer that, but if it was a late recertification, you may get charged a month at a certain amount, what might be market, because your paperwork wasn't in on time.
So that's legal.
That
But that's what
See this moment? The tenant asks, is this even legal? And that's exactly what viewers at home are wondering too. The answer, sometimes, yes. If you miss paperwork deadlines, landlord can legally charge market rent on a temporary basis. Harsh, definitely. Legal, often, yes.
they're saying.
hold on. That can happen.
Mm.
All right. When you ask me, is it legal? I don't have all of the facts to be able to say yay or nay, but that can happen if you don't. Okay. So let's do this. You've got Friends Indeed, you've got.
SCR. And Hawk said they out of funds.
All right. So I'll grant you another adjournment till the 29th, 2025 at 3 p.m.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see where we are with at least some of the funding and everything and the other issue. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Court calls case New Park Ridge versus Melinda Ostrander.
Julian Aiken for plaintiff.
Hello. What's your name?
The Ostrander.
Okay. And what's the claim in this case?
I have a balance including court costs of $975.
I paid.
Okay, you paid some.
I paid this month's rent.
Okay. Did you pay about $400 or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it went down from the last hearing.
What's my rent? That's my normal.
I see. $970, yes.
How many are in my last block?
Sorry. No worries.
How many?
15.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You're all set. Okay. So how are you going to get the rest of this paid off?
My caseworkers and I are working on it, going to DHS and other places next week. She wasn't able to attend today.
Okay. And your caseworker is through whom?
CMH.
CMH. Okay. Then let's give that a chance to work out. I'll adjourn this to August 29th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Okay. And let's see what you guys come up with. Okay.
Can I do Zoom?
You'll have to fill out the paperwork.
Okay.
Anybody else that asks, you're going to have to fill out the paperwork. I'm not granting it. You're going to have to fill out the paperwork. And then I'm going to deny everybody. Teach everybody a lesson. Peninsular Place versus